In this video, I will be showing you the review of the Cash Express loans and the customer that have used it, how they rate this application and their services. So without wasting any further time, let's dive right into the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So first thing first is that this is the Trustpilot website where they review the original companies as the verified companies. Here you guys can see that this is the verified company Crash Express loan, and here the review rating is 2.7, which is kind of a poor rating, where 43% of the people has rated it 1 star and only 35% of the people has rated it 5 stars. So let's read some 1 star reviews in the starting, and then we will eventually go to the 5 star. So they are full of fraudulent acts. This person is saying this, and so the other customer is saying that good for saving money. I don't know why this person rated it 1 star, and the other person say that they try to bully elderly folks and good. I like it, and still he gave it 1 star. So let's read some 5 star reviews. So this person is saying that I'm not sure what some of these reviews are. I'm not sure what some of these previous reviews are talking about. The Cash Express I deal with does not have an app to download. They do not use any card readers and or have an ATM in their location. They are only based in Oklahoma, and I have never had any of their representative be rude or hateful. So this person has given a very beautiful review about the Cash Express and their loans. And now I'm gonna read a Reddit review. For example, he said that guys, so found myself in an emergency for a reason. I was scrambling for cash to patch the hole. I stumbled upon a cash now. They promised quick loan and easy payment installation, which found very appealing. Though I wasn't comfortable with the fees, but I didn't got the loan anyways with the chunk of it was detected for fees and processing. Now I'm late on the payments. So the reason he's adding a review on the Reddit is he's late for the payments. And here's the thing, they're threatening me to call my company if I don't pay the budget. And I have given them a time frame which they disagree with and asked me to buy an extension worth 210 dirham. They called me and I talked with them. They said they're gonna call my family members and friends. If I don't pay, they even promised to call my company. So this is legitimate. This seems to be a typical method used to everywhere in the world for. So this is how the Cash Express loan actually works. They pay you the amount with the hefty fees, and then if you don't pay them back in the time zone, they're gonna call your company, they're gonna call your family members and other stuff. So be careful about it.